So welcome back guys to our channel Beginners Lab. In today's video, I'm going to explain IAM user groups. So just think that are you still assigning the permission to every single one of your AWS user? When we were creating the user, we were giving the policies one by one. Do you want that to repeat for each user when we create? See, that's slow, messy, and it also has so many risks. Maybe you are busy or you will configure something else. So I will show you a photo. With that you can get a better idea. No, not this one. Yeah. See, in old time what people used to do, assigning each person the role by themselves. See, there's a slip of permissions. This video is trying to show this. I've created from AI only. So this video is showing that how assigning the permissions one by one to each one of the users. So as this in photo, you can have a look. See, we have created three types of groups. We are from our main account. Okay, I have created three groups. One is user, one is admins, another is developers, then is testing group. So what happens when I want to give the permission to all the developers to generate something to S3 bucket or EC2 instance? I want to give them permission to this. What I will do, I will simply open a group and give permission at once to all. Those all the persons, those who are inside this group will get the permissions. Also remember that one user can be in more than one groups. Like there is a person, we can call it as a manager. He's in development also, he's in clerk also, he's in testing also. To have an overview, he will get all the permissions, all the accesses which you are having, and maybe more than you. So remember this point also. So main photo is this one. From a root account, we are creating users, roles, and groups. We have done the part of users. Groups we are going to discuss today. So what happens when we create an IAM? As we created a IAM user in our previous video, we have seen that sign in as a console permission also we have given. So you can just test that again by not giving the permissions of this thing also. So what happens when I'm giving the permission policy? I have to give to every single person. So I will not do that this time. I will do it in a different way. So let's open our AWS account, which I have already logged in. IAM, you can search here also. Now, for your information, I have already created three users. If you want to create, if you want to know that how to create these users, please watch my previous video. Then I will click on user groups. I don't have a user group. So let's create one. Create group. Let's give group a name of demo developers. Okay, we have given. Now what we are thinking that I need demo 2 and demo 1 should be in this group. So I have added this. Here you can search also. If you are having so many persons, you can search from here. Then here it's asking for the permissions which are optional. So I will give them EC2. So what to give them? I'm giving them the access of EC2 full access. I'm giving to this both the users. I'm creating. Okay, one group created. Let's create another one. So I'm taking the demo to user twice. Okay, now I will take, I have done of instance, so IAM role. Let's make it a bit broad. So IAM full access. Scroll down, create user group. Sorry, we haven't given a name. You can give the name as per company standard also. Like KGL, I'm giving demo. You can give for DevOps, developers team, or an architecture team, or an IAM user security groups. That's totally up to you. So we have done this. Now our groups are created. Now when I will access this from the users, you can see that I will be having only the permissions to those things which I have done. What is showing? some kind of error my IAM is showing. So let's check it out. Permissions which I have given, select it, nothing. Okay, that may be temporary. I think there is an error of a user's error is there, because you can see these both are defined. When you will create this third one also same will come, so nothing to worry. I don't know why it's showing the error, but that's all about the user groups. First we learn to create the users, then we learn to create user groups. Now we are having two more options here, that is roles, which kind of role you want to access to them, and same as policies. Policies, you can create your own policy, you can create your own access which you want to give. From here, create policy. But for a beginner level, you don't need to go so far. You must know the basic policies which you need to require, the IAM, EC2 instance, S3 bucket in detail. Then there is an RDS database also we can do. There are many things. For basic, we need a limited thing. I'm creating this playlist only for the beginners. Later on, I will create an advancement also where we will do some kind of project. But on this base also, we can create a simple static website, which I'm going to create in my next videos. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in new video.